Welcome everyone. So today I wanted to tell you guys why do I think that the Gamestop price is about to explode. And it's purely off of looking off the charts. Because we are going higher, guys, and higher. Week after week, month after month. So we're making new highs, guys. Here you see a higher high, and we have a higher low, and we're about to make even a higher high. And that means that we might even have. It depends on how fast we go here, but we could easily probably go to up to here, up to $33. And who knows, guys? Who knows how big of a pump it will be? We might get one of these spikes up to 100 or something, right? Like I ain't no wizard, or I'm just a human. So I'm not perfect at this, for real. But anything could happen, guys. This is not financial advice, like, for real. Like, do your own homework. I'm just saying what I see, guys. I see some potential. That's all I'm gonna say. I see some potential here. You could also say that we had something like this here. But this was not beautiful. We pushed a lot and we came down a lot. We pushed just above here and we came almost all the way down. And then we made a lower high here. So this looks a lot better. This looks a lot better than all of this. Yeah, so for real, guys, there's huge opportunity here, in my opinion, guys. In my opinion, the chart looks bullish. It looks good for all the buyers and holders with the diamond hands. So we might see, yeah, it might come pretty quick. We might even have a huge pump in May, June, maybe August. It might, yeah. We don't really know. It can happen really fast, as you can see here. It might happen in like 1-2 weeks. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video, guys. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some insight, some inspiration, some new thoughts, and yeah, do your own decision. So yeah, see you guys later. Have a great day.